How to edit a video in Canva. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit a video on Canva. So all you need to do is simply get onto your internet browsers, open them up and search for Canva. Once you search for Canva, this would be the official site once you log in into your Canva account. You can do that through your Facebook or your Gmail account, or simply create or sign up for a new one. And once you do that, so now let's get started. And I'll tell you quickly how to edit a video with Canva. So once you get into the main designing portion of Canva, there are several options like play with Canva, video, presentation, logo, Instagram post, flyer, portrait, resume, poster, certificate, Facebook post, your story, report, desktop wallpaper, YouTube thumbnail, business card, and much more. So all you need to do is get into that video, and once you tap on it, you see that you would be redirected towards a new page that would be eventually blank and you need to start up. So once I will do that, I'll simply drag it on here, and you see that this is basically an intro for some channel. I can simply change it to if I want to add some text out here. So what I can do is I can write down my text. So I would simply choose the text option, and once I've chosen the text option, so I can write whatever I want to write. For example, so this is what I wanted to write, and now I would simply remove this one, and this is the other thing that I need to do. And now I can apply some elements on it, that by going on the left side, elements. By elements I mean these kind of stickers, graphics. So I can simply make it smaller. And once it is small, so what I can do is place it somewhere. This was some graphic tools. Afterwards I can add on them lines and shapes, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, and above all, you can also take something from your uploads from your computer. You can always get into text and add it. In the more section, you had that discover content from Bandfetch, Google Maps, Pixton. You also have things from Bitmoji, Draw Beta. You all have these kind of an options. So once you play that, you'll get to know how this thing works. So this is how to edit or create a video on Canva. It is very easy. All you need to do is follow these simple steps, and make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel of How to Digital. And if you guys have any question or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Till next time, peace.